Dragon's Hiccups by Jenny Jinks and Martin Remphry. Dimpy the dragon had the hiccups of dragon hiccups. Every time she went hic, fire came out of her mouth. Dimpy's friends wanted to help her. Everyone went to Dimpy's house for lunch. But then, Dimpy took the chips out of the oven. Yum, she said. Hic, went Dimpy. Oh no, everyone said. So they all went to Sal's house for lunch. Here you are, said Sal, and she gave Dimpy some cake. But then, hic, went Dimpy. Oh no, said Sal. Hold your breath, said Sal. That will stop the hiccups. Dimpy held her breath. Her face went red. But then, hic, went Dimpy. Fire came out of her mouth again. Oh no, said Sal. My table. We can get rid of your hiccups, said her friends. Close your eyes. Dimpy closed her eyes. When she opened them, everyone had gone. No one wants to be my friend, she said, sadly. Everyone jumped out at Dimpy. Boo, they shouted. Dimpy jumped. Ah, she cried. But then, hic, went Dimpy and fire came out of her mouth. Her friends got out of the way, just in time. It didn't work, said Dimpy. Dimpy felt sad. I'm sorry, she said. You need to drink some water, said her friends. Dimpy ran into the kitchen. She put her head in the sink and gulped down all the water. Every last drop. Ah, that's better, Dimpy said. Everyone waited, no hiccups. Everyone looked at Dimpy. They waited and waited. My hiccups have gone, said Dimpy. Hooray, shouted all her friends. But then, hic, went Dimpy.